Hey everybody, Randall Mills, the Mills team. A little subject I want to cover today is knowing your worth, know what your value is. We talk a lot in our coaching program about no matter how much money you have, there's one thing in the world you can't buy. Time, exactly. You can't buy back time, so you have to make sure every hour that you can make productive and worthwhile is super important. So a little bit about team building, and if you're out there thinking about building a team in business, and this really applies to any business other outside of even being a loan officer or a realtor or even title, but you assign values of your hourly rate. $15 an hour, $40 an hour, or 100 plus. So if you're a business owner and you're caught up in $15 per hour jobs, what you do immediately? Go hire somebody, get somebody to help you out with those jobs. The next step, you get up to that $40 an hour, which is about $80,000 a year. It's an important job for somebody to do that. Your marketing department, your support staff, your right-hand person. But again, if you're getting caught up in those jobs too often, you need to hire somebody. It's going to help you grow, help you get bigger, and help you give better customer service. And that's really the key to everything. Better customer service equal better clients and better returns. We just got an amazing review today on Facebook from one of our clients about amazing customer service. And it comes down to little things because I'm able to call my clients on their birthdays and wish them happy birthday. And that's what spurred the whole thing after a purchase and a refinance with the same client. Calling him on his birthday, that little thing got him to post on Facebook, and it just made us feel good about that. But I was able to leverage that because I have an amazing team behind me. So knowing your value and the time of and the value of that time is super important. If you have any questions or need any help, a little guidance on this, feel free to give me a call. Thanks.